Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining the getChildDocument function. Let's get started.
The getChildDocument function is used to locate a specific data document by searching for the ID of a designated data field. To add this function to one of your actions in the project canvas, first ensure the action is installed. Hover over it and click on Edit. Inside the editor, click on Add Function and then press on the header of the newly added function. In the search bar, type getChildDocument and select it. Next, configure the function. In Action Settings, select the data document that this action will be tied to. For example, if you are setting up a getChildDocument function to search for all the shifts assigned to an employee, you would select Employee Management, Employee as the data document, where all the employee records are stored. For the function itself, specify the search parameters. In this case, the function will find shifts by searching for the ID associated with the employee name. This allows you to retrieve every shift linked to a specific employee. That's the end of our tutorial on the getChildDocument function. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.